Hey there, I'm Jen Herman with Jen's Trends, and if you're looking for the music sticker for your Instagram stories, this is the video for you. You're probably frustrated, you're wondering why you can't get access to it. Everyone's talking about it, but you can't find it. Well, chances are you're a business profile. So most personal accounts have access to the music sticker. Most creator profiles have access to the music sticker. Most business profiles do not have access to the music sticker. Why business profiles don't get it is not 100% known. There's a lot of theories out there as to why. The most commonly recognized theory, and again, I don't know this to be true, but is that most businesses are creating brand promotional content, and you run the risk of putting copyrighted music in affiliation or association with a brand, product, or service that music is not affiliated with, and that could cause copyright concerns. Instagram is known to have some of the strictest copyright rules and laws and protection when it comes to music, so this is most likely the reason why, but we don't know for sure. That being said, there are other ways you can get the music sticker, like being a creator profile. Most people that have a creator profile do have access to the music sticker. If you're that desperate for it, you can switch to a creator profile. Most creator profiles have the same functions and features as a business profile. However, creator profiles do not have access to the Instagram API for scheduling and third-party tools. So if you use a scheduling tool like Agorapulse or another tool for doing reports, analytics, scheduling, any of those sorts of things, you will not have that functionality as a creator profile, in which case you're going to want to stick as the business profile. You can toggle back and forth as needed, so that's always an option. And sometimes people who move over to a creator profile, when they go back to a business profile, are able to hold on to that music sticker for a period of time. Not indefinitely, but sometimes hold on to it for weeks or so. So if you don't have the sticker, I'm so sorry, you're not alone. Lots of us don't have it, and lots of people want it. It's probably the most hotly debated sticker as to why certain people have it and other people don't. But that's the general understanding of why you don't have access, and maybe a workaround to how you can get it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel where I'm constantly sharing news, updates, and features all related to Instagram marketing so that you can be more successful with your business on Instagram. I will see you in the next video.